Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Sunny from Wings of Fire. If you guys have any other dragons from the series that you would like me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments because I'd love to draw them. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with Sunny from Wings of Fire, let's begin with the eye. So we're going to have to kind of draw this small just so we can fit all the detail in here on the page. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm just going to make a little curved line. I'm going to make a little dot right inside of there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make a little bump right above it for the eyebrow. We're going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up to a point, and then we're going to come down. I'm going to make this line come up and then up and down here. Draw a little dot right there for the nose. I'm going to curve this up and then down for the bottom of the mouth. Then we just want to bring this up. We'll put some little sharp teeth in here along the top and the bottom and a curve for the tongue. I'm going to curve this line down, and I'm going to bring this back for a jaw and then up. I'm going to bring this line back to a point for a small horn. And we're just going to draw a little curved line. I want to make a little oval shape like this with a curve here. I'll bring this line down for part of the head. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line down and in for a neck. And then right under here, I'm going to bring this line down here for part of the neck. We'll curve this line back just to kind of show where another part is. Let's bring this line down and then in for the chest. And then right here for the wing, let's bring this line out and then up here with a little point for the claw. We're going to bring this line out for a point, and then we're just going to bring it back. We're going to bring this out to a point like this and bring it back. Another one out to a point and then bring it back here. We'll make one more that comes down a little bit farther than the others. Then we'll bring this part of the arm down, or the wing, I should say. We'll make this come out one more time. Then we're going to bring this back here and round it up for the wing. Now right here for the arm, I'm going to bring this line in with a curve. Then we're going to go down and kind of make a claw. We'll make another claw here. And then one more, and we'll bring this up. Then let's bring this back and into here. Let's continue this line down to the arm, and then we'll curve this a little bit for the stomach. I'm going to make this line come down and in. We'll make a little curve here for a toe, and then a little curve here. We'll make one more, and I'll bring it up with another little curve. Bring this in, and then we're going to curve this up. I'm going to bring this line down. Then we're going to curve this part of the wing up, and then we're just going to continue this right into here. So we're going to connect each one of these with a curve. Right here, I'm going to curve this line up, and we're going to bring this around for the tail. We're going to keep this nice and skinny, and then we're going to get this nice and big as it comes up here. I'm going to kind of curve this line down for the other arm. Then I'm going to bring this line down with a point. And we'll do another claw here. Bring this up and we'll kind of curve this around here. Bring this up and into here. For that other leg, we're just going to bring this out and then back in. I'll do a sharp claw here and then one here and bring it up. And we'll just make this little line here to make it look like the leg is kind of bent. Now for this wing over here, we're going to start right in here. And we're just going to bring this up. And then we'll bring this other line up here, but we're going to put the little point right there for that claw. We're going to bring this up with a curve, and we'll come down. We'll make one come out here, keep it nice and skinny. One more right here. And then one kind of angled back towards the head. Then we'll connect each one with that little curve shape. And bring it down to here. We'll add one more little line here, just to kind of make it look like there's more of that flap of wing. Now, right across here, I'm going to make this kind of bumpy, wavy line. Then I'm going to continue it here. We'll kind of make it a little bit pointy and wavy, and as it gets down to here, we're going to make some little small points. And we'll put a couple right here. Now I'm going to make a line here, and then a line that's just going to come right to here. I'm going to make some curved lines coming down, and we're going to kind of put a small curve in there. We'll continue this to here, and we'll do that same kind of little curve. Then let's go ahead and put some claws on here using one or two little extra lines just to give them a little bit of detail and texture. We'll also do it on the ends of each of the wing tips here. So we're just going to kind of make these little lines here. Then for a little detail, we'll do some little lines kind of right around the eyes and the mouth here. A couple little lines right along the legs and everything as well. We'll do a little line kind of coming up here and kind of coming down here. And we'll make some extra little lines on there for some details. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sunny from Wings of Fire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.